Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can do a double protections for your photo to hide it. So here is the way. You just need to open your photo library, and after you open the photo library, you just need to tap into the picture that you want to hide. Now tap into this three small dot. That will be showing up several options here, right? But there is no hide. There is a hide option here, but this is not the tools that we will use today. Just go back. Now you just need to go back into this top of menu, and then you just need to go click select. Go type into the picture that you want to hide. Now go click the share option, and then you just need to wait until it's open. Now you just need to scroll all the way down until you got save to files, and then you just need to go tap into the save to files. Now you just need to find or create the folders. Make sure that the folders style is not suspicious, and then you just need to go click save. And you can just delete the picture on this library. Don't worry, because you can still access them back. Go back into your home screen, open the files, open the folder that you placed the picture that you hide, and right after that, whenever you found it, just go tap it and go click again into the share options, and then you just need to scroll all the way down and go click save image, and those image will be showing up again into your primary album. So that's the way how you can do a double protection. So hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you on the next video.